In today's data-driven educational environment, effective performance monitoring is no longer optional. It is essential. We proudly present PALS, the Performance Unified Linking System and Evaluation, a centralized KPI management platform designed to transform how Polytechnic manage, monitor and evaluate institutional performance. PALS was developed for Polytechnic Besut Terengganu as an internal digital governance system to support KPI documentation, validation and reporting. The team members are Technologist Alice Nur Razmaliza binti Abdul Hamid, Nur Akmal binti Muhammad Nazari, Wan Izyani binti Wan Jusuh, Muhammad Ashraf Sakawi bin Adi Muhaini, Nur Ilyana Asfarini binti Ali. Previously, KPI management at the institutional level relied heavily on manual process and fragmented platforms such as a Google Sites, personal cloud storage, spreadsheets and informal communication channel. This resulted in inconsistent documentation, missed submission deadline, lack of transparency, and limited visibility for management to monitor performance before submission to the national system. PALS addresses this issue by providing a fully centralized internal KPI system operating under the institutional domain while supporting manual integration with PERSYS version 2.0, the official JPPKK KPI platform. PALS as a single internal KPI hub, ensuring compliance, clarity and continuity. PALS is designed with role-based access control, allowing different stakeholders to interact with the system according to their responsibility. KPI holders upload evidence quarterly, monitors and administrators perform internal validation, and directors gain real-time visibility through an interactive dashboard. Key features include automated email reminders, structured validation workflow, year-based data archive, activity log for audit transparency, and auto-generate performance report. PALS is a centralized internal KPI management system developed for Polytechnic Besut Terengganu, designed to digitalize KPI monitoring and ensure alignment with System PERSYS version 2.0. The pemantau role focuses on monitoring KPI performance across department. At a glance, user can view KPI status, progress indicator, and overall performance level. Each KPI records display its current progress, supporting evidence status and achievement level. This enables continuous tracking and early identification at performance gap. Pemantau can review, upload supporting documents to verify KPI claims, ensuring accuracy, transparency and accountability. Through this page, KPI owners can view assigned indicator, current target and achievement status, all within a single centralized platform. The owner role represents the KPI owner at unit or department level, responsible for managing KPI progress and ensuring accurate reporting. Owners are required to update KPI progress according to the reporting period, ensuring that performance data reflects actual implementation and outcomes. Supporting documents are uploaded directly into the system as KPI evidence. This replaces manual submission and ensures traceability, consistency and readiness for validation. Once complete, KPI data is submitted for monitoring and review by the pemantau, supporting a structured and transparent KPI governance process. By empowering KPI owners with a dedicated interface, PALS strengthens accountability and ensure that institutional performance data is accurate, verifiable, and aligned with System PERSYS version 2.0. This video demonstrates the admin page in the PALS system. The admin role is responsible for overall system governance and configuration, ensuring that PALS operates consistently and securely across the institution. Through this page, administrators manage user account, assign roles and control access levels for pemantau and owner users. The admin also manage KPI structure, reporting cycle and institutional indicators, ensuring alignment with organizational requirement and national KPI standard. By maintaining data integrity and system consistency, the admin role ensures that KPI information remains reliable, auditable and traceable. Through centralized system administration, PALS supports transparent KPI governance and strengthens institutional readiness for monitoring, evaluation and validation through System PERSYS version 2.0. distinguishes PAS from conventional system is its forward-looking architecture. The system is designed to support future enhancement such as AI-based KPI risk prediction, performance trend analysis, and gamification elements that encourage accountability and continuous improvement. This feature positions PAS as not only a management tool but a strategic performance intelligence platform. PAS delivers measurable impact at multiple levels. For individual, it reduces administrative burden and clarifies responsibility. For institutional management, it enables data-driven decision-making and improves governance transparency. At the national level, PAS supports digital transformation in the TVET ecosystem. PAS has strong commercialization potential as a standard KPI solution for polytechnic and higher education institutions, adaptable to various performance frameworks. PAS is not just a system. It is a strategic performance management innovation, empowering institutions to monitor smart and perform better.